from school, and we're gonna make a special Halloween recipe. So let's get started. Now what we are doing is getting some Oreos. So like you can see Oreos. I cannot personally eat Oreos. If you didn't know, I'm allergic to chocolate. You probably didn't know, but like I just told you, well, who cares? What you do is you're gonna open the Oreo, and then you're gonna keep the chocolate part. And then you're gonna grab any knife. If you were doing a kid and you were doing this recipe, if I were you, I would probably grab these, like any plastic knife, and then I would go like that, put that cream down, grab
you could just use your finger.
But that would be disgusting. But, okay, and then you can just grab a baggie, put the Oreo part in, and okie dokie smoky. Now, what we're gonna do, we can take any of like these teddy bear cookies. There's chocolate, vanilla, but in our case, we're using vanilla because like it wouldn't be fair if Santi was eating chocolate and I would have to be looking at that wouldn't be fair. So what we're gonna be doing is just grabbing some teddy bears and putting them in another baggie. Sparkles, you don't need all the attention. Let me just move real fast. Sorry about that, Santi. You can start going. Sparkles! I guess that's okay. Okay, now we're finally into the interesting part. Not like finally interesting part, but you know what I mean? Like the funner part. So grab any hammer or anything like that. Well, in this case, we're using a cooking hammer, and Santi's already starting to show you what you're supposed to do. Break these cookies in little tiny crumbs until they make a nice, yummy thing. If I were you, I wouldn't use the sharp part, Santi, because that breaks the baggie.
And you want to prank your mom? Get Oreos and smash it with this, and it'll look like coffee mix. And then when your mom, it's Oreo coffee mix.
So now you can see that Santi's eating his ice cream. So like there's ice cream involved, and like you can see this cup has already been used. Here's the chocolate chip, and the ice cream's on top. And then there's another one, chocolate chip, and then you can just grab the baggie and pour some on top. So that's what I'm gonna be doing. So let's go like this. Don't want to put too much. And again. And I'm pitching kind of like the back to get some extra. Not want to use the whole entire bag. Just go diga.
This is chocolate chip with Oreo.
Basically mint chocolate chip ice cream. Okay, now what I'm going to be doing, I have my ice cream scooper, but I'm not going to need it for right now. But we're going to need the crumbs. So, ignore Santi in the background just eating his ice cream with his fingers. Don't ever do that because that's just disgusting. Only if you want to gross me out or your parents. But still don't do it.
You might die.
So now this is, I don't know how you say it.
Dulce de leche.
Dulce de leche. If you're Colombian, you may know this. Like my grandma and grandpa, they know what this is. My dad loves this like so much because I've seen him
It's
once.
caramel.
I've seen him like go in the fridge and grab this and just go, and I'm like, Papa, stop. And then you go and now you add this into this. Like
It's
that.
caramel.
Basically kind of caramel. And then go, ooh, just have fun with it. Kind of. And I'm almost out. This is not a new jar, but if you want a new jar, I mean, always can do it.
You can.
Now I have my ice cream scooper, and I think my flavor is, what's my flavor?
Peanut butter.
Peanut butter. Okay, I'm gonna grab a nice scoop. Just go.
Give a comment which one you did.
Or not like a comment, but what, like, yeah, just leave a comment like which one would you eat? Would you eat this one that I'm making right now? Well, basically mine with peanut butter. Or would you rather eat chocolate,
Chocolate
mint chocolate chip, that's Santi's, with Oreos? Leave a comment down below so we can see. Or if you don't want to, you can always, you don't have to, but like it would be nice. Going back to the crumbs, so let's do these. Don't want too much. In. If you want to, you can always put finishing touches. I'm going to put a teensy weensy bit of my finishing touch. Oh, that's nice. Okay, there's one will have caramel, an extra bit of caramel. So these are the results, nice and yummy. Santi, stop eating your ice cream. Okay, who cares? And now, let's do this. So hopefully you try this recipe. It's really fun. It's gonna be yummy. If you're a kid like us, no, we're not saying we're adults, okay? If you're like a kid or something like that, hopefully you enjoy this. And if you're an adult making this, have fun or enjoy it, and just remember, try new cool things.
How is it? Santi, how is it?
Good. I hope you like this because this is really good. And remember to like, subscribe, and click on the post notification bell. And remember, try a cool thing!